Today, I will show you how to export code from Framer. Framer is a powerful tool for designing websites and interactive prototypes, but it is a hosted platform. This means you cannot export an entire website as a traditional code file like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all at once. The first step is to create components in Framer. To do this, right-click on the section of your page you want to export and select Create Component. This prepares the selected section for export and allows it to function as a reusable element. The next step is to install the React Export plugin. To install or run the React Export plugin, click on the Framer icon at the top left of the window. Hover over the Plugins menu and then click on Browse All. In the Plugin Marketplace, search for the React Export plugin. Once you find it, install it and run it from the same menu. After running the plugin, the interface will show all the components available for export. Select the components you want to export, then click the Export button. After you click Export, the plugin will provide a command that you need to run in your terminal. This command downloads the selected components as React files. You can now integrate these exported components into your existing React project or modify them as needed. Thanks for watching.